Hello, Instagrammers. Camera with flash, are you ready to become a DM pro? Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram direct messages. I'll show you how to reply to a message on Instagram with ease. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will ensure your messaging game is on point. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram. Tap on the Instagram app icon on your device to open it. Step 2. Access your messages. Look for the paper airplane icon or the messenger icon at the top right corner of your home screen and tap on it. Step 3. Select a conversation. Scroll through your messages and tap on the conversation you wish to reply to. Step 4. Find the message. Within the conversation, locate the specific message you want to respond to. Step 5. Reply to the message. For iPhone/Android, swipe right on the message until you see a reply button, a curved arrow, and let go. For web, hover over the message and click the reply button. Step 6. Type your response. After selecting reply, the original message will appear above the text box. Type out your response here. Step 7. Send your reply. Once you're satisfied with your message, tap the send button.